I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you need to dispute a charge on your TD account, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Step 1. Log into your TD Online account. Start by accessing your TD Online banking account through the website or app. Enter your username and password to log in. Step 2. Navigate to Account Activity. Once logged in, go to the Account section and select the account with the charge you want to dispute. Look for Account Activity to view recent transactions. Step 3. Identify the charge. Scroll through your transactions to find the charge you believe is incorrect. Click on it for more details. Make sure to note the transaction date and amount. Step 4. Initiate the dispute. Look for an option that says Dispute Charge or Report Issue. Follow the prompts to submit your dispute, providing any necessary details or documentation. Step 5. Confirm submission. After submitting, you should receive a confirmation message or email. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your dispute status. Remember, it can take some time for the dispute to be resolved, so be patient. If you need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to TD Customer Service. Good luck!